Chatbots respond to questions. AI agents go further. They perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions autonomously to achieve goals. Not just answering, but actually doing. A fundamental step forward in AI capability. An AI agent is a system that perceives its environment through senses or data, processes information to make decisions, and takes actions that affect its environment. Perception, reasoning, action loop operating autonomously toward goals. Agents have goals or action they try to achieve. They perceive current state through inputs. They reason about what actions to take. They have tools or capabilities to execute actions. They learn from outcomes to improve. Complete autonomous systems. A thermostat is a simple agent. Perceives temperature. Has goal of target temperature. Decides to heat or cool. Takes action through HVAC. Continuously maintains goal. Simple but illustrates agent concept clearly. Modern AI agents use large language models for reasoning. Can understand complex goals stated in natural language. Can reason through multi-step plans. Can use various tools and APIs. Far more capable than traditional programmed agents. Customer service agents resolve issues end-to-end, not just answer questions. Research agents gather information from multiple sources autonomously. Coding agents write, test, and debug code. Scheduling agents coordinate calendars and meetings. AI agents perceive, decide, and act autonomously to achieve goals. They complete tasks, not just respond to queries. LLM-powered agents represent significant capability advancement. Understanding agents helps you see AI's evolving potential. AI agents introduced. Next video dives deeper into agentic AI for business. How agent architectures transform business processes and operations practically.